Who created our world? Have you ever wondered when you look at the skies, the mountains, and the oceans, and all the things which are in them? So, different people have different ideas about how they came to be. You might think everything has a cause and effect, but the Bible says, in the beginning, before anything was existed, there was one eternal God. This God has always existed, and His name is Yahweh God, and He is the true God, and through Him everything was created. God created everything purposefully, and the sun and the moon were created to provide seasons, day and night and years. They were not be objects of worships, but signs to show us the greatness of our Creator. The earth was created to be a habitation for humankind. When God created the earth, God spoke and it came into existence. He prepared everything that human being would ever need. He created all kinds of fruit to be eaten and prepared the earth because he had a great plan for people. He also created all kinds of animals and he blessed them, saying, "Have little ones, and increase your number." He created all those things before he created human beings. When everything was ready, the true God decided to make people in a very special way. You might wonder sometimes, where did I come from? Who created us? Did I come from animals? The Bible talks about how we came to be and God's desires for us to rule over the animals and creation. In the next video, we will see how God created us with a special honor.